In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Base44. Whether you're a seasoned app developer or just starting out, Base44 offers a user-friendly experience to create applications swiftly and efficiently. Let's delve into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to base44.com. It's here where all the magic begins. Once you arrive on the website, you'll need to either log in if you already have an account or sign up for a free one if you're new to Base44. Either option will give you access to a suite of powerful app development tools designed to simplify your creative process. Now, with your account set up, it's time to create your first app. You can start this process by clicking the Start Building button. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Simply type in a description of what you want. Say, make a food delivery app, and watch as Base44 automatically crafts a functional app template for you. It's designed to make app building accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical background. Once your app template is generated, the next step is all about customization. Base44 offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to edit your app via a straightforward drag and drop method. You can rearrange elements, change the text to suit your needs, update images, and even tweak the color scheme to align with your brand identity. Moreover, adding or removing pages is a breeze, so you can fully tailor the app structure without any coding expertise. After you've customized your app to perfection, it's crucial to test it before launching. By clicking the Preview button, you can see exactly how your app will function in real-world scenarios. During this phase, make sure to interact with your app just like a user would and identify any areas that may need adjustments. The test phase is your chance to perfect the user experience and ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you're satisfied with your app's performance and aesthetics, it's time to go live by clicking the Publish button, conveniently located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Publishing your app will make it available to your audience, and you'll have the satisfaction of sharing your creation with the world. Whether it's for business purposes or simply a passion project, the culmination of your efforts will now be accessible to others. In summary, Base44 provides an integrative and straightforward platform for app development, from logging in and conceptualizing your app idea to customizing and finally publishing. Base44 empowers you to bring your app creations to life. So go ahead, give it a try, and create something amazing.